Can't you just...
I think it's the mines.
Around this track?
It's the mines, these. Oh god, the flag guys.
Can I build around 50 miles of Tehachapi Mountains? Don't be...
Oh god, rockets.
Al.
Somebody here. Somebody big gun.
I'll go.
You're supposed to bring, but I said big twice.
As if they want to go to Germany party.
Yeah! Germany party? Anybody? Germany party. Germany party? Anybody?
Say 9.
Say 9 if you don't want to go to the Germany party. Oh shit! I just lost my life.
I was sharing with another boy.
You do youth.
No other boy, about 12.
You want to go to Germany party?
Name Ballard.
Germany party? No one on my team has a fucking thing. They're sure talking the whole fucking time.
I'm pretty sure they don't.
I'm pretty sure they do because they go through the speakers.
The top, no.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure. I mean, these are supposed to be beginners, I think, or something. I don't know.
You the son of William
They
Wagney?
don't know how to use their options menu?
No.
Here?
Well, someone on the other team did.